If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can use the weekly timesheet window to enter the hours worked by a person within a week, what they did, for which customer job, and optionally how much you paid them. You can open the weekly timesheet window by choosing Employees, Enter Time, Use Weekly Timesheet from the menu bar. In the weekly timesheet window, use the Name dropdown to select the name of the individual for whom you want to view or track time. To change the week you are viewing within the window, select any day within the week you want to view from the Calendar Selector button that appears at the top of the window. The days of the selected week for the selected individual then appear in the window. Enter the customer job, service item, payroll item if you enable your employees to enter hours via the timesheet, WC code, notes, and the hours per day that the selected person spent doing the selected type of work into the columns of the same names that are displayed. To copy any hours entered for the selected person from the previous week forward into the currently selected week, you can click the Copy Last Sheet button in the lower left corner of this window. Doing this can save time when performing data entry for individuals who have consistent timesheet entries each week. When finished, click the Save and Close button to save the time recorded and close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.